we'll use a card to set the laser up with. The long line of the card is the tangent, the area that we're going to be working on. The long line is parallel to that. The arrow line is 90 degrees to that. So when we're going to set the laser on the arrow line, it'll be the gap that's left behind between the cutter and the laser is going to be our measuring device, and that gap has to be 90 degrees through the walls. So now we move the laser over so that it's right on the line. The gap between the cutter and the laser is going to be my wall thickness. I have that set, maybe about a fat 1/8 of an inch. Okay, when we get ready to measure the wall thickness, the laser is going to give us an early warning. It'll get elongated. That tells us to slow down, and when we make it disappear, it tells us to stop. Then the gap that's left behind is the wall thickness. So how we're going to do this, we're just going to go in and measure, measure, measure until the laser disappears. Stop. 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 Okay, now the wall thickness there is measured for that first 1/2 inch or so. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to clean up the tool marks. Very gently sweep back and forth, make sure that everything is nice and clean, because once I continue on another stage, I can't go back. This is going to dry out. It's not going to be round anymore. I'm going to lose my support. It would vibrate, so I can't go back. I want to make sure that I'm very nice and clean and finished on the inside before I go on to the next stage.